Today, we'll show you how to prepare a NexSens NX260 Turbidity Sensor for field measurements. The NX260 is an optical self-cleaning sensor ideal for construction sites, dredging projects, stormwater monitoring, and other applications where suspended sediments and water clarity are a concern. If needed, written instructions for assembly can be found online at the NexSens knowledge base. Let's get started. First, download and install the NexSens Connect software. Plug the cable into the PC and ensure it's online so the USB VCP drivers install automatically. Open your computer's device manager and note the COM port for the USB serial device, as we'll need this later. To power the sensor, we'll start by plugging it into a wall outlet. The wiper should rotate back and forth. To prepare for measurements, fill an amber bottle halfway with tap water. Clamp the sensor and center it to minimize ambient and reflected light. Now it's time to test the connection. Open Connect and go to Tool, then Sensor, and select the NX260. Select the previously noted COM port and readings will begin to update. Click the gear icon to ensure the wiper works. While a 1-point calibration is possible, a 2-point calibration is recommended. To ensure accurate readings, follow good laboratory practice. We will calibrate the sensor using 0 and 126 FNU reagents. Open the 2-point turbidity calibration in Connect. Fill a bottle with approximately 500 milliliters of the lower value reagent and suspend the sensor. We'll enter 0 FNU in point 1 and 126 FNU in point 2. Then activate the wiper. Click Start Calibration and wait 30 to 60 seconds for readings to stabilize. Click Accept to store the first point. Rinse and dry the sensor. Place the sensor in a higher reagent, then wipe. Select Start Calibration and allow 30 to 60 seconds to stabilize. Click Accept to store the second point. To collect and store turbidity data in the field, plug the sensor into your Datalogger and configure it accordingly. If you are using the NexSens X3 Datalogger, instructions are available in the knowledge base. And that's it! Our NX260 is ready for deployment. Follow the links in the description to learn more about getting started with NexSens X-Series Dataloggers and the WQ Data Live Web Data Center. For additional resources, visit the NexSens knowledge base online to learn more. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.